Hey guys, I'm here with my Toyota Sienna trying to figure out a noise here. Hear the squeaking as it spins? Right now it's on reverse. We're going to go ahead and figure out what's going on. Alright guys, so I found out what the noise was. A screeching, annoying, loud, whistling noise. It looks like it was the back plate here. So this back plate was bent in and it was hitting the back of the disc and it was screeching. So I went ahead and pushed it back. I just got a heavy duty ratchet or a hammer and just pushed it back a little bit, and then that's it. And then we have no screeching noise. I also ran some brake cleaner through, some AutoZone brake cleaner, make sure it's all good. But other than that, we'll go ahead and turn it on and see how it goes. See now guys, there is no noise compared to the whistling noise. Spinning, it's all clean. Easy fix guys. Thank you. Have a good one.